Hi guys, good morning. So today is Saturday and today I thought of talking about sessions. Many students were having problem in session. So there are four major session. I will cover each of them. First one is Asian session. In this session, Australian guys, New Zealand guys and yen players, yen guys are active. I mean to say during this session, it's their start of day. I mean to say it will be 8 o'clock in Australia, the same thing will be in yen. They will start their day and New Zealand guys will also start their day. So at that time they used to trade. There is more volatility from their side. Now let's come to the next session. Next session is Frankfurt session. In this session the Swiss guys gets activated. I mean to say Swiss franc will show you more volatility. They will show you more volume. So this is their session. And don't worry guys, when this session will start in your time zone, that I will cover, that I will show you in the last from with the help of a website. So we will go there. And after that the session which opens is London session. In London session, euro guys and pound guys are active. And see, uh, it has been observed that these guys has much power compared to these two guys. So what happens is that during this session the market will show you volatility. These are favorable for trading. These are also good. Asian session is also good. Frankfurt is also good, but this is the most favorable one. What will happen during this session? Market will move somewhat like this, a very slow movement. And when London session will open, it will go like this. The time difference between Frankfurt and London is of 1 hour. Means London used to open 1 hour later of Frankfurt. I mean to say Frankfurt is opening according to your time zone at 8 o'clock, according to your time zone, okay? Then London will open at 9 o'clock according to your time zone. Now let's go to our last session, which is New York session. In New York session, these two pairs are active, USD and CAD. I mean to say the big players of these two pairs used to trade. This doesn't means that these two pairs are not active in this session. They are also active in this session, but the major movement from these pairs can be seen in New York session. And this is NYSE, New York Stock Exchange. It opens 1.5 hours later to New York session. Suppose in your time zone New York session is opening at 10 a.m. then NYSE will open at 11:30, 1.5 hour later. So these are the timings of the four session. Now one thing I want to conclude, there is a 4 hour of window in which New York and London session are active, and in that 4 hour euro big players, pound big players, USD big players and CAD big players used to trade. So those 4 hours are the most volatile hours. Okay, so now let's go how to determine this session in your own time zone. So for this purpose we will go to a website. First of all we will go to google.com and there we will search World Forex Time Zone. We will press enter. Sorry, there is a spelling mistake. Anyways, you have to write their World Forex Time Zone. So then you will land on this website. Okay, now you have to click on this website. From here you can select your time zone. Now how to select your time zone? Right now I am in Asia, so this is my time zone. You can go here and you can select your own time zone. Suppose you are in Africa or in Tokyo or in whichever country you are, you can select it here. Suppose I am in Asia, so this will help me in knowing this opening of these pairs. Okay, so now here you can see for me at 12:30 p.m. Frankfurt will open and it will close at 8:30 p.m. Okay, and 1 hour later, I have told you earlier, 1 hour later at 1:30 p.m. London will open for me and it will close at 9:30. New York will open at 5:30 and it will close at 1:30 the next day. It will be a late night, 1:30 a.m. midnight it will close. Now see, between 5:30 and 9:30 there is a overlapping. There is a overlapping between London and New York, guys. Between 5:30 and 9:30, a 4 hour of overlapping. At that time the volume will be very good. Sydney opens at the midnight and closes at 10:30. Same thing with Tokyo. It opens at early morning 4:30 and closes at 12:30 in the noon. For Indian guys, for Asian guys, okay. So like this, you can check your own time zones. Let me show you one example. Suppose you are in, let me select a country in America, Argentina. Then for Argentina, guys, it will open at 4 a.m. in early morning. 5 a.m. London will open 1 hour later. Then New York will open at 9, and London will close at 1. So here they have again 4 hour of overlapping. So like this, you can go and check your own time zone. So yeah, that's all guys from my side. And in this way, you can select your sessions. If you like the video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.